8 health benefits of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds may be tiny, but they're full of nutrients that do a lot for your body. Found in yellow, brown, and black varieties, these seeds are often used in cooking, especially in sauces, spice mixes, and traditional remedies. But beyond flavor, mustard seeds offer a range of health benefits. Packed with minerals, plant compounds, and natural oils, they've been used for centuries to support wellness. Let's take a closer look at why these little seeds are a smart addition to your spice rack. Number 1. Promotes healthy digestion. Mustard seeds are known to boost digestion. They stimulate the flow of digestive juices, which helps your body break down food more easily. Their fiber content also supports regular bowel movements. A small amount added to your meals can ease gas, bloating, and stomach discomfort. In some traditional remedies, mustard seeds are soaked or boiled to create teas or tonics that support gut health naturally. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. Mustard seeds contain antioxidants like selenium and compounds called glucosinolates. These antioxidants help protect your cells from stress and damage caused by free radicals. By fighting oxidative stress, mustard seeds support your body's natural defenses and may help you feel more energized. Just a sprinkle of these seeds in cooking adds both flavor and a natural health boost. Number 3. Supports bone health. Mustard seeds are a good source of minerals like magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, all of which play an important role in keeping your bones strong. These nutrients help maintain bone density and support joint flexibility. Including mustard seeds regularly in your meals, especially as a spice or seasoning, may give your bones the extra support they need over time. Number 4. Boosts metabolism. The spicy heat from mustard seeds comes from a compound called allyl isothiocyanate. This compound may give your metabolism a natural boost by slightly increasing your body's heat production and calorie burn. While it's not a magic weight loss tool, it can be a fun and flavorful way to support your metabolism when added to healthy meals. Number 5. Helps maintain healthy skin. Mustard seeds contain vitamin A and other nutrients that support skin health. In traditional skincare, mustard seed pastes or oils are used to soothe dry skin or reduce redness. Their antibacterial properties may also help keep skin clean and protected. While you shouldn't use raw seeds directly on your skin, small amounts of mustard seed oil, diluted, are sometimes used in massage or natural skin treatments. Number 6. Supports heart health. The healthy fats in mustard seeds, especially when cold pressed into mustard oil, are thought to help support heart health. They may help reduce bad cholesterol while promoting good cholesterol levels. Mustard seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart and blood vessel health when included as part of a balanced diet. Number 7. Natural relief for colds and congestion. Mustard seeds have warming and clearing properties that can help relieve mild congestion. In some natural remedies, mustard seeds or mustard plasters are used externally to warm the chest and improve breathing. Drinking mustard seed tea may also help soothe sore throats and open up stuffy sinuses during cold season. Number 8. Versatile ingredient in the kitchen. One of the best things about mustard seeds is how easy they are to use. You can toast them to add crunch and spice to curries, grind them into homemade mustard, or sprinkle them into salad dressings. Their unique flavor adds depth to both savory and tangy dishes, making them a favorite in many global cuisines. If you found these mustard seed benefits interesting, be sure to like this video. It helps more people discover the power of small but mighty ingredients. Do you know any other uses or health tips involving mustard seeds? Share them in the comments. We'd love to hear how you use them. And if you're exploring the world of flavorful spices, don't miss this video. Benefits of cloves. And remember, life is better when you garden.